Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Reno Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume Unit 1 in Connect Plus. But before I will go to the show, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, I stopped here on lesson 2. Today, I will start lesson 3 and 4. But before I will go to lesson 3 and lesson 4, I will make a quick revise on lesson 2. Last class, we talk about the present simple tense, and we know that present simple tense talk about the daily routine, and we know how we use it, and we know this vocab. I think we took it before. You can return to the video and revise it again, repeat it again. We know in this part we took the present simple tense, and we know in the question form and in the negative form we use what, and we in affirmative form as we know that we adding as to singular verb with the singular subject, put as to the verb, and we use doesn't and does when we make a negative form and a question form. And we know the daily routine in this, and know this daily routine in the last class. Today I will start from this part. Here we have, I get up at 6 o'clock. I eat my breakfast at 6:30. I walk to school at 7:30. I have my lunch at 1 o'clock. I go to school at 5:30. He plays tennis at 4:30. He gets up at 7. They play football at 3 o'clock. This is the sentences, and this is the picture related to these sentences. Here we have, I get up at 6 o'clock. Which one? Number D. So I select number D by number one. So this one by this one. I eat my breakfast at 6:30. Let's go to 6:30. Which one 6:30? This one 6:30. So I select this one by this one. Okay. Today we will took the clock, and I will tell you how to know it. We will learn today. We will learn with each other the clock and how to write it in numbers. Okay, number 2 by number C. Okay, I walk at school at 7:30. Which one 7:30 here? Which one 7:30? 7:30. This one. I walk to school at 7:30. This one by this one. 7:30. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Which 1 o'clock here? This one. So I select this one by this one. This one by this one. I go home at 5:30. Go home at 5:30. This one, number G by number 5. Number G by number 5. He plays tennis at 4:30. Plays tennis at 4:30. 4:30, this one. So I select number H by number 6. She gets up at 7 o'clock. She gets up at 7 o'clock. Number 7 by number F. So this one by this one. I play football at 3 o'clock. Which one play football? This one. Number E by the last one, number 8. Number E by the last one, number 8. Let's go to answer this activity. I get up at 7 o'clock. Is it 7 o'clock? Yes. So I put here, yes. I put here the tick here. I eat my breakfast at 6. Is it 6? Not 6. It's 8. So I put here no. He walks to school at 8 o'clock. Is it 8? No, it's not 8. It's what? It's 10. She has lunch at 3 o'clock. Has lunch at 3. There is not 3. There's 2. So I shall put no here. I go home at 2 o'clock. Yes, this is 2 o'clock. Yes. Here we have the sentences, and this the words related to these sentences. Here we have I space at 7 o'clock. So the answer it will be I get up. So the answer it will be get up. I get up. I get up at 7 o'clock. But my breakfast, here I eat my breakfast. So the answer it will be I eat my breakfast. Here we have the space lunch at 2 o'clock. So as we told you before, that before meals, we use what is the verb that we put it before the meals? Have. So it would be have. Okay, they have. because there is meal. Have comes before what? Before meals. Okay. I space at 4 o'clock. I space at 4 o'clock. I go home. It will be here, I go home. So the answer, it will be I go home. Okay. Now we know every sentence here in this part. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here we have, as we know here, the hour. What can we note? Here is, I can note by here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 15, 20, 25, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 35, 30, 35, 40, 45, 40, 45, 50, 55, 50, 50, 55, 50, 55, 60. Okay, 60. So when the clock is on, the long arm is on 12, we don't say 8:60. It would be 8 sharp. Okay, don't say 8:60 in this case. Okay, you can say if 8. We have here on the short on 8 and the long is on 3. It will be here. We say 8:15. So it will be 8:15. Okay. So we must know this. If the long arm is on 12, it will be sharp, 8 sharp, 7 sharp, 6 sharp. Okay. This is we know. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this lesson. Now I think we know how to know the clock. Okay, here we have. Do you get up at 8 o'clock? It will be here. Is it 8 o'clock? So the answer, it will be yes, I do. So the answer will be yes. Do you have breakfast at 7 o'clock? Is it 7? Yes, I do. Okay, yes, I do. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Grade 2, I would like to say something. I would like to answer the questions that I answered with you in the video, and send it to me on the channel to see, to know are you understand from me or not. I would like to contact with you on the channel. If you have available, let's answer the questions. I hope to answer the questions and send it to correct you. Okay, I would like to do so. Okay, to contact with you to contact with you by the channel. Okay, does he play tennis at 4 o'clock? Is it 4 o'clock? This is but this is not tennis. This is what? This football. So I select which one is corrected. It will be no. He doesn't. Does she ride the bike? Is this girl ride the bike? Yes. So the answer, it will be yes. She does. Do they play football? Is it football? Not, it's not football. It's what? It's tennis. So I select number 2. No, they don't. Let's answer this question. I answer 5 of them, and I leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Here we have. I get up. Gets up. Get at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. As we know that, as we told you before, that the pronouns that takes s, he, she, it takes s. I, you, we, they don't take s. Okay, I think so. The plural doesn't like s, but the singular like s. Okay, you must know this rule. Here we have I. So the answer, it will be what? It will be gets. Wrong. I'm saying this, Miss Iman's wrong. Here is I get. The expression is not get. The expression is get up. So the answer, it will be I get up at 7 o'clock. Here we have I eat has my breakfast at 8 o'clock. So the answer, it will be eat. Why? Because here I don't take s. There's the next one. She go to school at 7:30. She here is singular. So singular takes what? In present simple takes s. So I select this one. He play tennis at 4 o'clock. So the answer, it will be plays. Why plays here, Miss Iman? Because s is related to the subject, and this subject is pronoun and must be adding s in the present simple. They goes, walks, home at 6 o'clock. As I keep you the thing that still plural, right? Plural doesn't like S, but singular likes S. Okay. Here is they singular or plural is plural. So like S or don't like S, don't like S. They don't like S. So I will put what is the suitable verb here. It will be they go. Adel get up at 6:30. So the answer it will be gets. Why gets here? Because S here is related to this singular here. Dalia eats lunch at 3 o'clock. Dalia is singular. So I put what? I put eats here because S here is related to what? To singular subject. Do is he play basketball after school. So play here is the same verb. So I put what? Replaced S here. It will be does. Okay, I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I think you now know how to answer this question. I hope to answer it by yourself the rest of this exercise. Let's go to another exercise here. Here we have do and does. I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Here we have do. As we know, do in simple tense. Text what? Text does or do. I'm listening. You saying, Miss Iman, do you are clever pupils? You are clever pupils. She, subject, pronoun, and singular. Singular likes S. Singular likes S. But plural don't like what? Don't like S. So here she takes what? Takes does. You are clever pupils. You are clever pupils. I think I'm listening. You saying Miss Iman does. They, it will be what? It will be do. I'm listening. You saying Miss Iman do. You are clever pupils. Eat does. So I make a great effort. So you must be clever. You must be clever at the effort that I do it with you in the videos. Okay, you must be clever. Do you here takes what? Singular likes S, but plural don't like S. Here is singular plural. So I put what? I put do here. You are clever pupils. Dina is singular or plural? Dina is singular, so I put here does Dina. Oh, and as we told you before, that does, if we put it in negative form or in question form or interrogative form, replaced S. We can't say, I see some of you doing this mistake. Does Dina gets? If we do this, it will be what? It will be 0. I hope to know this because if we do it in the exam, you must know this. Okay, this is the rule. If we put does here in the singular or in the question or negative form, S here replaced does here replaced S. Okay, you must do this rule. Okay? You must know this rule. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is lesson 3. I will answer. I will give you some of a part of them of this lesson, not all the lesson, because I would like because I don't want the video longer, and I would like to study what we took to don't have more things to study. Okay. Here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I think you take mathematics and you know these numbers in mathematics, in letters and in digits. Okay, I would like, I know that we know it. Okay, it's not difficult for you to write it. Okay, here is in this part, we know the numbers and we know another expression here we learned here in this part, which is what is the time when asked about a time. Here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Here we have the hour. I explained you in I explained in the previous page. Okay, I tell you here is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 45, 50, 55, and 60. As we told you before, that if the long arm is pointed to the 12 to 12, you can't say 7:60. It's wrong. We say 7 sharp, 7 o'clock, or 6 sharp, 6 o'clock. So if the long arm pointed to the 12, don't say 7:60. It's wrong. You can 7 sharp, 6 sharp, and so on. Okay. Here we have it's 7 o'clock. It's what? It's 7:10. Let's know what's this number comes from. Here is 5:10. So the answer it will be 10. Here is it's 7:20. Let's know it. 20, which 20 comes from what? Here is the short arm pointed to 7. So the long arm refers to what? Refers to 4. Let's know it. Which this number comes from what? Here is 5, 10, 15, 20. So the answer it will be 20. Here is it's 7. This is the short arm. It's on 7 and long arm on 8. Let's know it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It will be 740. Let's continue the rest of for our rest of the lesson today. Here, when we talk about the afternoon and the morning, what can I refer by time? I refer the time by the abbreviation AM in the morning and PM in the afternoon. Here is we say it's 7 AM or it's 7 PM. What's the time? It's 6 PM. Here is 6 PM. Okay, afternoon. Okay, what's the time? It's 6:30. It will be here 6:30. We can say 6:30 or 6:30, but here we know the clock in numbers, so must write it in numbers like this. Okay, what's time? It's 6:40. How coming 6:40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It will be here 6:40. Okay, this is what I would like to know. Let's answer the exercise or the activity depend on this part. Here we have 20. Which one is 20 here? So here is number 1 by this one, by number F. Number 1 by number F. 40, number 2. Which one is 40 here? This one. So I select this one by this one. 60, this one by this one. Number 3 by number A. 80, which one is 80? Number C by number 4. 100, number 5 by number B. 30, number 6 by number E. This one by this one. Here is we say, I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself after keeping the numbers. Okay, you must keep it and answer by yourself. Here is 10, here is 50, here is 70, here is 70. Okay, I will leave the rest after keeping the vocab. You can answer this the rest of the question. Okay, you must keep it before you answer it. Okay, here is we have. Let's answer this question. This question is very easy. I think now we learned how to read the clock. Here is we say the short arm refers to 9. The long arm refers to 4. So what can I know? I know the clock here. 5, 10, 15, 20. So it will be 9:20. So 9:20. So which one is this one? The first one. Here we say the short arm is on 5. It's not difficult. The long arm is on 8. Let's know it, how to read it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It will be 5. It will be not 5, it's 4. 440. It will be 4. It will be 440. This is the next one. Let's go to another one here. It's 2. The short and long arm refers to 2. It will be what? 5, 10. It will be 2, 10. So I select the next one, not 2. If we say 2, so the short arm is on 2, and the long arm, it will be on 12. It will be 2 o'clock sharp. Don't say 2:60. It's wrong. Say 2 sharp. Okay. This one here we have the short arm refers to 12, pointed to 12, and the long one is refers to 6. So what I can read it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It will be 12, 30. Which one? This one. The next one. Another one. Here we have the long arm refers to 12. The short arm refers to what? To 11. So here is the short arm pointed to 11 and long arm pointed to 12. So what can I read this time by saying 11 o'clock? Why? Because 11 is because the long arm pointed to 12, 12 sharp. So it will be 11 sharp at this one, as the first one. Another one here, the short arm refers to 6. The long arm refers to 12. So the answer here, it will be what? It will be 6 o'clock. I will leave this to do it by yourself. I think now you know how to read the clock and to write it. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here is lesson 4. I will give you a part of this lesson, and next class I will continue the rest of this unit of this lesson. Here we have parents, dad, grandma, grandchildren, sister, mom, grandpa, grandparents, brother, and cousin. I would like to say grandparents consist of what? Consist of grandma and grandpa. Parents consist of mom and dad. Okay, this is the note that I would like to note here. Okay, here is brother and cousin. Here we have grandparents, grandpa, grandma. Here we have uncle, auntie, father, mother. Here we have cousins, parents, sister, and brother. Okay. Here we have the kind of hairs. Let's know it together. Let's learn this together. Short hair. We have short hair. Okay. Curly hair. I think all the girls know the curly hair. Brown hair, long hair, straight hair, and gray hair. This is the kinds or types of hair. This is called straight hair, curly hair. This is straight and this is curly, opposite. This is long and this is short. Here we have, I would like to explain this part on the board to be clear, to be more clear. Here I talk about this is and this is. We use this is, we use it to talk about this is for singular near, for singular near, singular near. This say for singular, we say this is a book. So the book is near from me, and say, and I pointed to the book and say this is my book. This is my book. This is my book. Okay. This is my book. Okay. These are, we use these are for what? For plural form. We use this are for, sorry, not plural for plural near, not plural for. Plural for we use those, not this. Okay, plural, we have plural near, we have plural near. When we talk about plural near, I use what? Talk about plural near here. It would be, we say these are, we say these are chairs, or these are tables, or these are books. We say these are chairs. If we say that, if we see the chairs is near from me and it's plural, so I say these are my chairs. So here we use this is for singular near, and these are for plural near. I explained this part in the basic lessons of in summer vacation in videos. You can return to the videos and revise what we told in this part. Okay, I explained before. You can return it and revise again. And today I will repeat this lesson today. This is for singular near. These are for plural near. We have also that and those for singular for and plural for. But this I will explain later. Today it will be on this and this and this and this in this part. Okay. Next class, next time I will explain that that is for singular for, and those are for plural for. We have another another demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Here we have, these are my grandparents. These are my parents. These are my brothers. These are my cousins. So here we talk about what? About plural near. Here we talk about what? About singular near. Like say, this is my grandpa. This is my dad. This is my brother, and this is my cousin. Here is my family. We introduce my family. My dad has short black hair. My mom has curly brown hair. My grandpa has gray hair. My grandma wears glasses. I have two baby cousins. I have one brother and one sister. Let's answer the activity depend to this part. Here we have, I talk about my father. So my father has spacious hair. Is my father has short, long hair? I think you can see your father and see long hair of your father. And I think no. So the answer it would be my father has short hair, not long hair. Okay, because my father is a man, not a woman. My sister has space. What? My sister has curly hair. I think the girls, you know the types of hair, and you know the curly and straight and so on. My grandma has what? Has gray hair. Has gray hair. Okay. My mom has what? Has long black hair. Long black hair. Long. This is long black. This is long black. Long black hair. Okay. Long black hair. Long black hair. My grandpa wears what? Wear glasses. Okay, wear glasses. Let's continue the rest of the activity. Grade 2, I would like to say you again. I would like to answer the questions again and send it to me on the channel to correct you, because it's important to repeat what we took in this video. I can't explain, and without the explaining of in video is not enough. You must study what we took during the videos. You can review. You can rewind the video again and listen what we took it and study also. Okay, we have two parts. The education of the learning depends on two parts: teacher and pupils. Teacher without pupils is wrong, is missed. If I explained without studying, the video is not perfect. Okay, so we must study. We must study. We must study for a million times. We must study. I hope to study grade 2. We must study what we took in the videos, and I would like to answer the question and send it to me. Okay, I hope to do so. Okay, to contact with you during the channel. Okay, I hope to do so. Here we have grandparents. Which one is his grandparents? This one. So I select number 1 by number E. Parents. Parents consist of what? Consist of mom and dad, or father and mother. So which one here will be number F by number 2? Grandpa. Which one grandpa? Number 3 by number D. Mom. Which one is mom here? Mom here is number 4 by number B. Dad. Which one is dad here? Number C by number 5. Cousins. Which one is cousins here? Number 6 by number A. Okay. I will answer some of this. I will stop on lesson 5 today. Next class, I will explain lesson 5, because I know that I give you enough information today. Okay, enough, because the lesson today is enough to study it. Okay, let's answer this question. I answer 5, and I leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Here we have my parents. Are my parents. So here, as we know, the suitable demonstrative pronoun is this sentence. It will be what? Here we have are. So can I put this? Wrong. That wrong, because it's singular. So the answer, it will be this. Here is we have is. Is for what? Is for singular. You can put they takes are, and this takes are. It's wrong. So answer, it will be is. You can say, Miss Iman, why you are doing this? Because I put myself as you in the exam. I replaced myself in the exam. So I know what. What are you thinking? So I will give you the way of thinking when you answer. Okay, you can say we have is. Can is takes they? All of us know that they in the verb to be takes are, and this in the and this is demonstrative pronoun takes are. So both takes are, and have this. So which one is takes is here from this demonstrative pronouns? It will be this one. This. Okay. So the answer, the suitable answer is this. My grandma space gray hair. We can say hair. Is grandma is plural or singular? Singular. So the suitable verb is for this, it will be what? It will be is wrong. Why? Because as we told you before, that verb to have refers to something belongs to me. So my hair, it belongs to me, not belongs to anyone, belongs to me. So the answer, it will be has. I'm listening. You say, man, have, you are clever people. My dad spends short black hair. So it will be my dad, it has what? Has short black hair. Or my grandparents. Grandparents is plural. So I select which one is suitable for this sentence. It will be this. Why? Because we have here R is verb to be that takes this is a demonstrative pronoun that takes R. My grandpa and grandma. So both are plural. More than one is plural. It will be what? It will be have, not has, not are, not has. Why? Because as we told you before, that have is describing describing something, it belongs to me. So the answer, it will be have. Let's go to another question here. I think now the lesson today is not difficult. I think so. Okay, you can think with me. I think so. Okay, I'm explained in simplest way. I do everything to make the same lesson simple. I think you now you understand what we took today. Okay, I hope to answer and send it to me to correct it you. Here is the text and here is the questions below this text. My name is Ahmed. These are my grandparents. My grandma wears glasses. My grandpa is tall. My grandparents have four grandchildren. These are called, as we told you in more the more level in English, is narrative. I narrate you about my family or my grandparents. Okay, my name is Ahmed. These are my grandparents. My grandma wear glasses. My grandpa is tall. My grandparents have four grandchildren. I know that I think you know during the lesson, grandchildren means what, okay? My mom has long brown hair. My dad has short black hair. I have one sister. Her name is Dalia. Ahmed has one sister. Yes, so the answer, it will be, I have one sister. So I select yes, not no. Ahmed grandpa wears glasses. Ahmed grandpa wears glasses. No, not which one is who is wears glasses in Ahmed's family? Grandpa, not grandpa. So the answer, it will be no. Ahmed's mom has short hair. Ahmed's mom has short hair. No, long brown hair. So the answer, it will be grandma. So the answer, it will be no. The answer, it will be here no. Okay. Ahmed's dad has short black hair. Ahmed's dad has short black hair. Yes. The answer, it will be yes here. Ahmed's grandparents have three grandchildren. No, not three. It will be four grandchildren, not three. So the answer here, it will be right or wrong. No, it will be yes or no. It will be no. Today I stop here on lesson 5. Today I stop here on lesson 5 about the present continuous tense. I will give you a point about a bit about it. I give you a bit about it. Here we have subject. What is the verb? The present continuous consists of present continuous tense consists of subject plus verb adding ing, like this. We say I'm eating. You are playing. He is eating. We are eating. So we the verb plus the subject plus the verb adding ing. Verb to be plus subject plus verb to be and is are plus the verb adding ing. This is called the continuous tense. When we use this tense, to ask about something happening at the moment of speaking. Okay, this is what we will take next video. Today I stop here in this part. Next class I will start this lesson. So I hope to benefit from our video today and you enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.